And we'll have more from the press briefing a little later on in the business day. 1 billion US dollars and counting. That's the estimated amount of money coming into Jamaica as a result of lottery scamming. Illegal money that can hurt the economy in the long run. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang gave the update in Parliament today during his contribution to the sectoral debate. Andrea Chisholm reports.
Lottery scamming and its link to violent crimes such as murders has been plaguing Jamaica for years, and now it can be described as a crisis.
It is alleged, Madam Speaker, that some $1 billion US is coming to the country through this means. 1 billion and rising. That's a huge amount of money, and it provides a risk to the stability of a state, because it not only buy guns that kill people, undermine and corrupt institutions, and indeed, when it gets well known, it does impact on our economy.
Institutions such as the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency and the Financial Investigative Division have been working to track down the scammers and put them behind bars. In the interim, though, the National Security Minister insists that hardcore policing is needed to deal with hardcore criminals involved in lottery scamming. Social programs, he argues, are not enough.
A man who is scamming 100,000 US a month and have guns or hire gunmen beside him traveling. You can't talk about counseling him and giving $5,000 a week. It's absolutely ridiculous. And when necessary, when they're in gangs, we have to get the army to support them. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. That's the right thing to do. That's what we have to do. We're not converting the army to police. Army are trained to fight men with guns, and the men who criminals are out there with heavily armed weapons, better armed than the police sometimes.
In the meantime, the reorganizing of police geographic areas to increase efficiency is one